Hello friends, myself Dr. Rupal, CSO at BPX, a business process consulting company. Welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful tools for driving operational excellence across all departments, and those are SOPs. In this video, we'll break down what are SOPs, how they help businesses succeed, and the secrets to building effective SOPs for your team. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So what are SOPs? Think of them as a playbook for your organization. Step-by-step instructions that ensure every task is performed consistently and efficiently. SOPs are a key part of business process management, or BPM, representing the level 5 process mapping. This is the most detailed level where every activity within a process is clearly documented to ensure nothing falls through the crack. Imagine this. You run a cafe. Each barista has its own way of making coffee. Some add too much milk, others too little. Customers are getting frustrated with the inconsistency. This is where SOPs come in. By defining a clear SOP for your coffee making, you ensure every cup meets the same standard every time. That's consistency, and in business, consistency equals trust. Now, how SOPs help process owners and key users? SOPs benefit both process owners and key users by providing a framework for monitoring and improving performance, while ensuring compliance with regulations. For process users, SOPs offer clarity and confidence. They know exactly what needs to be done and how to do it. Now, when must organizations define SOPs? Studies show that standardized processes can lead to a 30% increase in customer experience. SOPs are particularly crucial when your organization is scaling, onboarding new employees, or launching new products, or expanding to new markets. But they are equally critical in less positive situations where you start receiving customer complaints, dealing with quality control issues, or facing compliance risks. Without well-defined SOPs, small problems can quickly spiral out of control, leading to inefficiencies and dissatisfied customers. The earlier you define them, the smoother and more resilient your business will be. Now let's talk about some of the hacks and secrets to creating effective SOPs. Number 1, align SOPs with your IT systems. If your SOPs don't integrate with your existing technology, they'll remain stuck on paper. Make sure they are built to work seamlessly with your ERP, CRM, or even HR systems. Number 2, develop video SOPs. Especially for blue-collar teams, video SOPs can be more engaging, easier to follow than written instructions. Number 3, create multiple formats. For daily use, create one-pager, visually appealing SOPs that employees can quickly refer to. For training and emergencies, provide a more detailed SOP handbook. Number 4, appoint SOP experts. Combine external SOP consultants with your in-house process champions. Together, they can develop SOPs that are both practical and powerful. Effective SOPs are not just a list of rules, they are the foundation of a well-run organization. Whether you are aiming for operational excellence or looking to scale your business, well-defined SOPs will guide you to success. And if you need help for writing your standard operating procedures, our BPX experts are here to support you. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more expert tips on business process improvement. And for tailored SOP solution, do visit our website and talk to our experts. Thank you and keep watching.